We are on a budget, okay? We're on a budget, okay? We're gonna look trendy, but we're on a budget, okay? Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, because we are going to be putting on our thinking caps today, our creative caps, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be putting together a patchwork tote bag. And baby, I know tote bags are getting into style. That's why I'm making this video. So first things first, we're going to be taking our tote bag, any plain tote bag, girl, and you're going to get this special little thing called E6000 glue. E6000 glue, simple as that, and that's all you need. Those pair of pants that you don't want no more. And the ones I'm going to be using today have like a little frill from them. If you like the pants, they're going to be linked down in the description box below. So first, what I'm going to be doing is basically cutting around, cutting the places that I want, and it's kind of like really self-explanatory. So I'm just going to have you guys, not listen to my annoying voice, and just watch what I'm doing. So I decided I want to be a little unique. I want to put a little sass to my tote bag, and I did not want it only to be frills. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to do this little hearts. It did not come out even, and it does look a little sloppy, but it's okay because it comes out cute at the end. Now I'm going to be, cleaning it up, because we don't want that ugly little jean fabric to be like showing everywhere. Because why are you gonna be showing everywhere if I don't want you showing everywhere? I want the trim showing, I want the frill showing, and I want the cool stuff showing. So why am I gonna be showing you everywhere? So we're just gonna be cutting around that. This was kind of pretty freaking boring, but if you're clean the first time, then you get to skip this step and you get a trophy from me. Now I'm just gonna be placing all of the pieces on my tote bag and playing around with it, trying to see where I like things from, and kind of like just imagining it on me or whatever, or me holding it. And I think I just placed it wherever I thought it seemed fit, and it came out cute nonetheless. So let's just get onto it. I started pasting it with the glue, which let me tell you, don't get on your hands because it's really freaking sticky, but it does work wonders because this does not lift up. Like, I thought it was gonna lift up. No, baby, it does not lift up. Like, okay. So you really want to be careful when you're putting it on, because let me just tell you, girl, if you do not want it in that position, it's gonna be a little hard to take it off, because that glue, it does its job. It does its job, okay? I'm hoping it does this job to, you know, glue you to my channel and make you subscribe. I really enjoyed putting this around the tote bag. I felt like it was so cute, so fun to try to imagine it on myself. And you know what? I know it's gonna come out cute. I mean, not saying I already know what it's gonna look like, but I told you guys it was gonna look cute. And you guys were like, you know what? No, it's not. Even though you guys saw that little snippet in the beginning, I don't care. Y'all really flabbergasted right now. You guys are in shock. okay? You guys are standing up from your seats. I deserve a standing ovation for this little quick thing. So I really hope you guys like this video. I got a whole new tote bag out of this, and if you see it in my Instagram, which is gonna be right there where you're seeing it, right when I'm talking right now, you're gonna see my Instagram. You better just go like the picture and, you know, tell me that you saw my video, and that's it. So yeah, I really hope you guys do this yourself, because I feel like you can give a little personalized touch. And I already used a pair of jeans that, you know, had a little design to them, but what I realized is when I was cutting into jeans, if you just like scrape the scissor like to the side of it, you can get that little frill design. So don't think that you can't, boo. But y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and decided to stick with my channel for this video. So yeah, without further ado, we're done here. Go get your tote bag, ho.